Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how we can extract, how we can clip the raster file, and then how we can prepare map from raster file by using the symbology, by using the tool of classify, uh, like that. For that we have to add, first we have to add the DEM file. This is DEM file, okay, and we need to clip, okay, the watershed. This is the watershed. We need to clip this. Okay, for that we have to go here in okay, we have to clip. We have to choose this data management clip, then keep here, use input feature, then after go here, okay. Now we can remove it. We have this raster file. Now what we have to do, just go here in DEM property, then go to here symbology, then after see what you want. Let's classify. Okay, you can classify in whatever range you want. Okay, let's take 4. Okay, this is the elevation. This is the elevation in meter. We can change the label also. This can be changed, but this will be not changed. From here we can select the color. From here also we can change the color in this way. The another way is also here we can manually give the range. This is the range given by GIS, but we can also manually arrange it. For example, here it is okay, we can change here. This is 1700, we can took here 1800. okay, then after okay, apply. This will appear like that. Okay, this is, thank you.